What's up, everyone? Today we're looking at a 2025 Sea Ray SDX 270 Surf. This boat has a Mercury 6.2 350 horsepower engine. Lots of space in this boat and on this boat. We got this awesome sun pad here off the back. Lots of seating in the midship. We've also got a table receptacle in both the bow and in the midship so we can host. Got a nice pop-in table as well. At the helm, we've got bolster seats for both the co-captain and the captain. Got that Fusion audio head unit as well as a glove box in front of the co-captain's seat there. At the helm, we have twin Simrads. Got the Mercury DTS throttle and shift for that 6.2 350. We got the stainless steel toggle switches as well. Very nice boat. Very versatile if you want to be able to entertain and cruise, but also be able to surf as well too. This is definitely the boat for you. The SDX 270 also has this nice head compartment as well. So if you need to use this for storage space or for something else, very nice to have this on this boat. As we go into the bow, got this awesome seating arrangement here. Plenty of space, again, to entertain. So this boat also has these awesome swivel board racks. Just articulate this lever, clamp the board in place. To release the board, just hit that button right there. Here is our pivot for our swivel as well. It's on both sides. We've got the tower speakers as well too, Fusion audio system. Very nice sound system for this boat. You can check out this boat on our website at MarineMax.com, or you can stop at our Nisswa location and see this boat for yourself.